First, let me tell you, this is not my family room. Alright, welcome back everybody. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. I hope you all had a wonderful, joyous, and safe Diwali. Mine was lovely too. So, today I'm gonna give you a tour of my dearest friend and fellow Instagrammer Pinky Shah's family room and entrance, which she decked up for Diwali. So I'm really sorry that first footage of her entrance is in a portrait mode because she usually shoots in a portrait mode, but yeah, her family room footage is in a landscape mode. So as I give you the tour, I'll share more about Pinky and her aesthetics. Welcome to Pinky's home. As you enter, on the right you will see this staircase, and space next to it has been decorated beautifully with brass diyas, pots and plants. She placed cushions just to add a pop of color. Moving on, the wall opposite to the stairs has been painted in this gorgeous green recently by Pinky. You can check out the entire makeover on her Instagram. She is a brass aficionado and displays her brass collection proudly all around her home. On the wall, all the small frames are DIY from extra blouse pieces and old calendars. And the big painting in the center has been with her for more than 20 years. She keeps changing the look of her entryway quite often. Now let's enter into Pinky's family room. Pinky had left India at a very young age. First she moved to Uganda and now she has been living in Toronto, Canada for more than 22 years with her family. But she is a true blue desi at heart. Her love for India and Indian elements is quite evident here. She has collected all the decor accents over the years from different sources and various places. Like cushion covers are from Kutch, Gujarat, and all the brass accessories are from Gujarat, Delhi, Mumbai and many other cities. Some of the pieces are inherited from their grandparents and parents. All in all, her family room reflects her roots, culture, tradition, heritage and her warm desi personality. If you would like to see more of her home, then don't forget to check out Pinky's Instagram and her YouTube channel. I have added the links in the description box below. Now I'll share what Pinky does every year on the day of Annakut, which is celebrated a day after Diwali in most of the states in India. So she prepares all the savories and delicacies all by herself, and I always look forward to her images which she always shares on Instagram. So here it is. So I really hope you enjoyed this tour, rather I would say mini tour. If you did, then please leave me a comment and we'll ask Pinky to share the entire home tour on this channel. And that's all for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, watch either this video or this. Bye bye. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine.